Sandhya, I saw so much of Indra in her. So much. Little movements, little mannerisms, but I guess all of the students will imbibe that as osmosis from the teachers they learn. There will be something of that. And that has definitely gone into Sandhya as so much of, you could suddenly see Indra over there and then vanish and then it became something new. So beautiful, so delightful to see. And the second Varnam was also a lovely, a treat. How the two different, completely different parties, and how musically, the, the richness of the melody has been brought out so beautifully. Bharathanatyam is it's a favorite for dancers, and it's also a delight to perform it as much as it is for the audience to view it. So I can kind of understand how much you enjoyed every moment. And the coming together of Madhuvanti, a beautiful Tilana was choreographed by Vidanta. Very subtle movements, but the little characters that go into it and then comes out beautiful. It's a tapestry of design that is so intricate. Wonderful, wonderful guys. It was a delight definitely. And thank you so much Indira for inviting me. It was truly a delight. Very, very happy that I came here and really in this beautiful space you're dancing over here. All the blessings that there is for many, many years of wonderful dancing. May Kapaleeswarar bless you.
Thank you so much, Srilata, for your wonderful words of encouragement. That means a lot to the dancers and to me as well. And I recognize the presence of Sri Shekhar sir here. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. And we would like to honor Srilata with a small token of our dance.
Thanks for watching Ravi TV.